How are we different from other superfood snacks out there? We use nuts and seeds that are activated and sprouted, so the anti-nutrients are removed, and because they're sprouted, they are ready for rebirth. So they are nutrient dense. We don't use any fillers, we don't use any bulking agents, we don't use any GMO products, no corn, no soy, and there's no grains, so they are practically no added gluten. We do have ghee as a dairy, but ghee has very little of the milk proteins, so it's the allergenic effect that you see with dairy is minimal with ghee. All of our products, we look for local and sustainable sources. We are eco-friendly company, so we always look to add to earth as opposed to taking away from earth. And we care about people, we care about animals, we care about environment, and we care about plants. And the most important, we care about your health. And all of our products are very easy to digest because they are living food, they have active enzymes, they are nutrient dense. And for people, especially people with GI issues, with gut issues, our products are a necessity more than just being another superfood snacks.